but you get the sense, you look outside, you've been looking out the window. Well, it's not the day that's inspiring, most folks to get outside and really do a whole lot out there, just because it's been one after the other after the other. Off and on showers when it's not steady rain, it's mist, it's drizzle, it's fog. Clouds are hanging tough with us a good portion of the day. And numbers, they have not moved much, right? Southeast wind doing its thing. And temperatures next few hours, same deal. Very little wiggle room in the numbers, and we'll keep the rain chances around 2, probably into the overnight hours. And while you're probably not spending a ton of time outside, if you are, the allergies and the pollen's not bothering you. Tree pollen's on the low side. This is what you need to really clean out the air. But this has been the pattern. I mean, it has changed very little since this time yesterday. Maybe the low is nudged a little further to the north, but it's still that spin. It's still the Atlantic moisture that we're dragging in that's still giving us rounds and rounds of wet weather. We're tracking this cell earlier at the top of the show. Now it's turned a little bit more moderate for eastern sections of Nassau and parts of Suffolk. So from Babylon to Islip, you're getting some downpours, and you see that flash of lightning? That's what we're seeing. Some of that too will be approaching the south shore, so heads up there. LIE is getting wet, and some more downpours in the northern Fairfield, anywhere from Sheldon to Monroe and Danbury. More isolated showers further to the west. But I actually think it's going to be west of town that could be a little bit more problematic this afternoon. So by the time you're watching Lonnie and Vanessa, 5:30, they'll be tracking it. Okay, it's not maybe widespread in coverage, but it's not going to take a lot for some of these storms to take advantage of any breaks in the clouds we see. And that's really something we're going to be watching and honing in on closely. How much instability can we capture in the atmosphere to fuel some of these storms? A lot of the guidance is showing there will probably be some active weather to our west, especially. Some of that could produce some gusty winds and hail, and then maybe a break into the overnight hours. Tomorrow is essentially a breather. It's not as wet as today is, but there may still be some spotty showers in the mix, maybe a little more than this future cast is showing. And then we start out the day Thursday, okay, no big issues for the morning commute, and then showers and thunderstorms can blossom during the day, and that lingers into Friday too. So the pattern's not really letting up anytime soon. Between now and tonight, tomorrow, 1/4 to an inch plus of rain. Some of you are under flood alerts, as some of this rain could be a lot for the ground to take. And we're seeing the rivers, the creeks, and the streams feel it too. So that'll be something to watch. All right, so here's your first alert 7-day forecast. We're in it today. Tomorrow, a bit of a break. Rain chance a lot lower. It's a soggy finish to the week. And then other than a lingering shower we hang on to Saturday morning, Mother's Day weekend features brighter weather and temperatures in the 70s by Sunday. Chris.
Okay, thank you very much.